Hello viewers, I share that FlyOBE release version 1.6 that is a well-known bypass tool that let you install Windows 11, especially version 24H2 on computer that don't meet the official hardware requirements. I have already linked that video if you want more details. Now we already have version 1.7 which has just been released. Let's quickly check what's new. The developer has been putting a lot of effort into this tool, updating it almost every other day with fixes and improvements. The main highlights in version 1.7 is a new OBE page that allows you to find and turn off Windows Copilot and AI feature right after installing Windows 11. So if you don't like AI in Windows 11, the tool now gives you many options to disable features like to do Copilot in age recall and more. They have also upgraded the app removal page. It now supports different presets for removing Bluetooth from full to minimal, and you can even load community made preset from GitHub. Another improvements is with the driver installation feature, which now let you back up and export to custom folder, and serious HDR bug has also been fixed, along with small changes to the interface and lot of behind the scene improvement already uploaded on GitHub. So the big change in version 1.7 is the ability to disable AI feature like Copilot, which is very useful if AI is not something you want. But just a few hours later, version 1.7.284 was released. The developer said this update is especially important for Windows 10 users who want to stay on Windows 10 while using the extended security updates ESU program. They recommend installing this hotfix to make sure enrollment works smoothly. The update mainly fixed two things. First, a serious bug in the ESU enrollment package was resolved where the chosen parameter was not running correctly. Now you can properly press the right option for local all online account just like in the ESU script. Second, the new OBE page introduced in version 1.7 has been reworked to dig deeper into how AI is built into Windows 11, giving you even more control to disable it. So basically version 1.7.284 is a hotfix that improves on version 1.7. FlyOBE is getting a lot of attention and becoming very popular among people who want to install Windows on unsupported hardware. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.